All right, everybody clap. This is the quarter century of this series of vocabulary from iQuanta, episode number 25. लोग मुझ पे शक कर रहे थे, तुम लोग मुझ पे शक कर रहे थे, किसी ने पहले वीडियो में लिखा था प्लीज बी कंसिस्टेंट. Here I am, 25 over, नहीं 25th started by the way. Yes. हाँ डाउनलोड कर लो यार, कुछ जीतो हो तो पैसा वैसा कमाओ, खुश रहो बेटा. हाँ, आई मीन यू प्लीज डाउनलोड iQuanta app and you have a chance to win some money for yourself just by engaging on the app. And of course you've got the batches. ज्वाइन कर लो यार, मेंटरशिप है मेरे से लोगों की, बर्बाद कर देंगे तुमको. नेक्स्ट. ऑलराइट, गौर से देखिए इस तस्वीर को, ये वही है जो गर्ल्स को देखकर बाइक भगाता है. देखो देखो अपने आप को. नेक्स्ट. फाइल, फ्याल, फाइल, यार फाइल ही कहते हैं शायद इसको. शीशी, अ स्मॉल सिलिंड्रिकल ग्लास बॉटल, मेनली इंजेक्शंस के लिए पहले यूज होता था. दैट वाज अ. अब इसका कोई इंटोनिम तो बेटा होगा नहीं, ठीक है. सिनोनिम भी नहीं मिला मुझे बाय द वे. ही केयरफुली लेबल्ड ईच फाइल इन द लैब टू प्रिवेंट मिक्स अप. आपका मतलब जो ब्लड टेस्ट होता है ना, तो दे आल्सो दे पुट द ब्लड इन दैट ग्लास बॉटल, तो वो भी तो फाइल ही हो गया, ठीक है. सो दे he carefully labeled each file in the lab to prevent mix-up. But I hope I am saying it right. If not, find it out. Lassitude. Lassitude तो क्या थकान है क्या? Lack of energy. Yes. Lethargy. जैसे हमारे साथ आप जब जुड़ते हैं, आपका बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता वो क्या पढ़ने का. But boss, I keep coming day in day out because you triggered that. You said कि be consistent. Yes. Languor. lethargy and weariness. बच्चा पहला वर्ड तो नोट ही कर लो, ये तो मुझे भी नहीं पता था बाय द वे. ऑलराइट, हालांकि मैंने ही बनाया हुआ है सब शीट. LANGUOR. lethargy is okay, weariness is fine, the first word. Antonyms will be vigor and energy, full of vigor, full of energy and enthusiasm. उल्टा हो गया यार lassitude का. How do we use it? After the long race, Jack experienced a feeling of lassitude as his muscles ached and his energy drained. तो बेचारा 42 किलोमीटर मान लो दौड़ के आ रहा है, तो उसके बाद what do you expect from the person? कि कूदता फांता थोड़े घर जाएगा. He will go through a feeling of lassitude, lack of energy, as his muscles ached and his energy drained. मैं तो कभी दौड़ा नहीं हूं यार मैराथन, छोटे मोटे रेसेस दौड़ता हूं. 400 is the maximum that I ran. I was good at that by the way. Xenophobia, very 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 important word in the current scenario. दुनिया में जो कुछ चल रहा है बेटा, उसको लेके अखबार में लगभग आप हर हफ्ते देख लेंगे. Xenophobia is prejudice against or dislike of people from other countries. In short, fear of foreigners. You see a foreigner and you are scared कि ये अब हमें मार डालेगा, कुछ तो करेगा गड़बड़. That is xenophobia. बेटा please make sure you remember this word. Ethnocentrism and racism. बेटा आई थिंक द फर्स्ट वर्ड प्लीज मार्क कर लो. रेसिज्म तो पता है बहुत कॉमन वर्ड है, खूब यूज करते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. बट हाँ, एथनोसेंट्रिज्म थोड़ा कम यूज होता है. एथनिसिटी, द कल्चरल बैकग्राउंड मे बी वहां से उठाते हैं लोग. फाइन, सो दैट विल बी नॉट एग्जैक्ट बट या काइंड ऑफ सिनोनिम ऑफ xenophobia. एंटोनिम्स, xenomania. इसको फॉरेनर्स को मतलब वो डर रहा है, ये ऑब्सेस्ड है फॉरेनर्स के साथ. I know what you're thinking of. Yeah. There has been a rise in xenophobia in some countries due to political polarization. But what do you mean by polarization? A polarization का मतलब ये हुआ that these are the two poles opposite. तो कुछ लोग absolutely इनके साथ हैं, कुछ लोग absolutely इनके साथ हैं ना. जब polarization होता है, you don't find a middle ground where you can come and discuss and maybe agree on certain points. अगर polarization है तो बिल्कुल differences हो रखे हैं सोसाइटी में. So that is what leads to xenophobia. There has been a rise in xenophobia in some countries due to political polarization. Some people will of course hate all the foreigners and some people will be very welcoming. तो क्या हो गया? Polarize कर गए. Xenophobia. Ubiquitous, again a very 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 important word. Present, appearing or found everywhere. So beta xenophobia and ubiquitous. Ubiquitous हर जगह पाए जाने वाला. देखा एक ख्वाब तो ये सिलसिले हुए, दूर तक निगाहों में है गुल खिले हुए. So जहां तक देखते हैं वहां फ्लावर्स ही फ्लावर्स हैं. Ubiquitous, found everywhere. Next, synonyms, omnipresent, all right, prevalent and global. But I think you can use all of them as far as the word ubiquitous is concerned. उसके ये concerned synonym हो जाते हैं हमारे. Antonyms, of course, rare or scarce. कम पाया जाने वाला. यूबिक्विटस क्या है? हर जगह पाया जा रहा है. एंड उसका ऑपोजिट क्या होगा? कम पाया जाएगा. दैट इज scarce. ऑलराइट, सिंपल था. The company's advertisements are ubiquitous, appearing on billboards, buses, and social media platforms simultaneously. हर जगह दिखाई पड़ रहा है वो. That is ubiquitous. कंपनी की जो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स हैं, they are like everywhere, हर जगह. फाइन. सो ubiquitous हो गया, हर जगह पाए जाने वाला, omnipresent हो गया. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज ostracize, boycott, exclude from a society or a group. तड़ी पार कहते हैं इसको, बड़ा boycott करना कहते हैं. Alright. You've got shun, spurn or boycott. I think spurn lovers, yes. And antonyms are accept and befriend. मैं befriend को ना बहुत दिन तक opposite of friend सोचता था. तो befriend का मतलब हुआ दोस्ती करना ही होता है, ostracize करना नहीं होता है. Alright, so it took me quite some time to kind of remember this word the way it is. मैं तो दुश्मनी मान के बैठा हुआ था, आप मत मानिएगा. How do we use it? The company decided to ostracize the employee who had been stealing from them, cutting him off from workplace activities. शुक्र मनाओ निकाला नहीं है, वो चोरी कर रहा था. He was stealing from the company. Alright, तो क्या किया? उसको boycott कर दिया. Nobody is going to have lunch with this guy or talk to him. Alright, we have lassitude, lack of energy, lethargy. एक कोई और वर्ड था, भूल गया शायद मैं. Ubiquitous, found everywhere, omnipresent, xenophobia, fear of foreigners. Okay, fires, वो शीशी थी जो ग्लास की छोटी सी. And ostracized, boycott. Alright, the first sentence. She was from the scientific community for many years because of her radical political beliefs. तो उनके political beliefs ऐसे थे कि लोगों ने उनको शायद अपनी community से बाहर कर रखा था. Ostracize is a word. She was ostracized from the scientific community. Alright, she was ostracized from the scientific community for many years because of her radical political beliefs. Next, acacia trees, yeah, plants, are on Taiwan's lower hills. Yeah, okay. I think ubiquitous, they're all over Taiwan's lower hills. They're found everywhere. All right. So acacia trees are ubiquitous on Taiwan's lower hills. Next, of the older generation tilted the votes in favor of Brexit. But Brexit was when Britain decided to exit the European Union. So what happened was that most of the old people, they favored in favor of exit, as they were scared of the foreigners. They wanted the immigrants not to be allowed. The youngsters, they voted against it because not being part of the EU would lead them to not get access to certain educational opportunities and also professional opportunities. ठीक है, तो वो था, by the way, anyway, xenophobia of the older generation. Xenophobia of the older generation tilted the votes in favor of Brexit. I think this was 49 to 51 से इन्होंने Brexit किया था. Because Jim had tried so hard to make his marriage work, he felt only sadness and when it finally came to an end. Okay, बेचारे ने कोशिश तो बहुत किया था कि शादी चल जाए, but नहीं चली, तो बाद में क्या होगा उसको? Sadness तो होगा, और he was drained of all his energy just to maintain that kind of sanity in the relationship. All right, the lassitude. Because Jim had tried so hard to make his marriage work, he felt only sadness and lassitude when it finally came to an end. He was drained of all his energy. Two, preserved in the cathedral are believed to contain the blood of the martyr. Okay, तो वो I think files हैं. ठीक, तो 2 PHIALS. Preserved in the cathedral are believed to contain the blood of the martyr. All right, शहीद है उनका blood है उसके अंदर. And here we are, operation successful. Session over, 5 words with antonyms, with synonyms, and I think we are doing well. 25th episode over. We just hit a quarter century. I think a lot more to go. अभी अपन out नहीं होने का, ठीक है? हाँ, चलो जी.